Hi, it's Mark over National Home Warranty again. Topic of discussion today is a question was posed to me from one of our customers regarding they have a home warranty with us already, and they were wondering why they needed to have a plumbing maintenance, annual maintenance and tune-up and safety inspection with us. One of the benefits of having that service done is we're going to catch things prior to them ever being an issue for you, which means some loss of downtime for you. You're not having to schedule things being away from work. But some of the safety issues that we can catch on those visits are that could affect the lifespan of some of the equipment that's in your home. One of the big ones is a water heater, which is neglected, and if the manufacturer suggests that water heater be flushed at least yearly, and then do a safety inspection on it as well, where we check the temperature and pressure relief valve, kind of do a once over of that. The plumbing maintenance, for the benefit to the end consumer and our home warranty customers, is the fact that we're going to come into the home, we're going to do a once over of everything. We're going to check the water heater, flush it out for you. We're going to check the water pressure, make sure there's not any excessive pressure. That could be kind of like a silent killer for your pipes in your home, your fixtures. If the water pressure is too high, your piping is designed to operate at a certain level. If it's operating too high, that means you could spring a leak in a place that you don't want it to. So it puts undue pressure on your water heater, plastic components that are in the majority of plumbing fixtures nowadays, toilet parts, and so then those things start to leak. We're also going to check your water meter to make sure you don't have any unseen leaks. Make sure that there's no slab leaks that are detected, no hose bibs or anything like that out in your outside that maybe have been leaking for a while and you just never noticed. And we're going to come inside the home and check that as well. We're going to go do a once over all your drain system, all the shutoff valves, emergency shutoff valves, to make sure that they're working properly and they're in good working order. And so that you feel comfortable and you have a peace of mind that, hey, the system is safe, it's operating, and I'm good to go for another year.